Hey guys, long time no talk. So today I'm coming at you from a new location. Me and Nate recently bought a house and we moved, so I'm slowly trying to settle in. There's been a lot of crazy life changes lately, and yeah, so I'm trying to work out my new filming space. So I'm in my office / makeup room right now. So sorry if the lighting's a little bit weird because I'm still trying to figure it all out. I don't know, this guy's looking a little weird here too. This is my cute hanging plant that I have that you might have seen on Instagram. But I'm gonna have to move it from here because I don't know, it just looks a little weird. Anyway, today I'm coming at you guys with the Quo holiday releases for 2018. I'm super pumped. I did a whole look here today with most of the collection. But I have one huge item here that is gonna need a whole video of its own. The first thing that I have here is the metallic eyeshadow set, and this comes with 3 metallic eyeshadows, really beautiful. This is $20 and it comes with a gold, a rose gold, and then a black with silver reflex. So really pretty if you're going for a super glam smoky eye. Today I'm wearing the middle rose gold one. These are beautiful. There's absolutely no fallout. They look really pretty on. They're really great toppers. I wouldn't have necessarily done it with this look that I did today because I really like the way that the eyeshadows look, but I wanted to put on as many products as I could so I can show you guys how they look. So yeah, I'm wearing this middle one today, and then the gold is gorgeous. So these are very similar to the Pixie ones that you can get. Those are beautiful as well. Those are my absolute favorite ones, but you're getting 3 for $20, so it's a really good deal. So these are metallic liquid lipstick. So I'm wearing this pink one here today. It's looking very intensely shiny on the camera, but in real life it's not so intense. The ring light is really picking up on a lot of the shine. This isn't normally a look that I'd go for, but I'm really liking this. I think it'd be really fun for like a holiday party. And there's also this brown colored one, and then there is a deep burgundy red. So very glam for the holidays, really great for a lot of different skin tones in one kit, which I think is awesome. All right, then I'm gonna talk about a couple of my total favorite products out of the whole line. So the first one I have here is the Quo Matte and Metal Eyeshadow Palette. They're so nice. I absolutely love them. I can't recommend them enough. The mattes are beautiful, and mattes are a really hard eyeshadow formulation to do. But yeah, Quo really hit the nail on the head here. And like Quo eyeshadows, you guys know I've reviewed a lot of them and they can be really hit or miss. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette that they've ever done. I really love the way that they laid these out because it's very cohesive. Like you can just use one of the lines across and you have an amazing eyeshadow look. And then I have the Highlight and Glow palette. This is the same formula as this amazing eyeshadow palette. It's 6 gorgeous highlight shades. Today I'm wearing this pink one on the inner corners of my eyes. I thought it looked really nice with the pink look. And then I'm also wearing the silver one in the middle on my cheeks, and I feel like I'm getting a real good glow here today. And yeah, this looks so much like an Anastasia glow kit, doesn't it? I really love the shades that they've chosen. Then next up I have the Sweet Cheeks blush set. So this comes with 3 blush pans, but you technically get 6 blushes. And yeah, the shade combos are really gorgeous. So yeah, this was the one that I used today. I mixed together the 2 colors, and this one is in Baby Blush. And then we have Coral Crush, which you get this really pretty kind of peachy creamsicle-y color there, and then you get a reddy tone. This will be really nice for the winter time too when you're going outside and you get that flushed look. And then we have Lady Lush. So the color on this side is a little bit too intense for me, but I think that'll be gorgeous for people with deeper skin tone. And then there's a super light pink on this side, which I think if you find this one's too dark, you can swirl them together and kind of get a mix of the 2 colors. I think I could probably wear this on its own. I'm gonna give it a try because, again, I'm so fair. And I have the Quo must-have brush set. So this comes with the brush roll. This is $50. I really love the holographic pink brush roll. I think that's gorgeous. And then you get all of these beautiful brushes. They have rose gold ferrules on them. They're very soft, and you get all the brushes that you need for a look, which I think is awesome. Then I have the Quo Advent Calendar this year. This is the 12 Days of Beauty, and this is $40. So last year, inside the box, it didn't tell you what you were getting like this. It was all kind of a surprise. This year, they do have it all laid out, so you know exactly what you're getting. That makes sense if you're going to pay $40 for something like this. You kind of want to know what you're getting inside. So inside here you get 2 mini size lip glosses, an eyeshadow duo, you get a Quo sponge, a highlighter, you get a Quo brush, and then you get a lip crayon, a mascara, a liquid liner, an eyeshadow crayon, and then another sponge. Honestly, I'd rather these over the chocolate advent calendars. Like, I'll take makeup every day of the month. And then the last of the 2 smaller items I have here. So I have the Quo Blending Sponge. This one's $8. They have 4 versions of this, all in different shapes, so you can use them on different parts of your face. I really like the Quo Blending Sponge that I had last year. It was really soft. It doesn't puff up as much as a beauty blender does, but I do really like the way it put my makeup on. And then I have the Quo Emery board. This one is $3. They have 3 different versions of these as well. So they have a silver, they have the pink, and then they also have a black one. And then the last thing that I have here is the Quo All About Eyes kit. So I'm going to do a full video and look on this itself. I don't have enough face to put all of this on. This comes with so many eyeshadows. It's basically an eyeshadow encyclopedia. And then all of these eyeliners. This is $65. This would make an amazing gift for someone just starting out in makeup. Can you imagine all the options and how excited they'd be? And look at that amazing range of colors. Like, there's everything that you would need in here. So yeah, that has been my overview of the Quo holiday releases this year. Now I'm gonna get on into the demo. So that was the demo. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. It's so nice to be back filming again. Let me know in the comments below if you have any video requests, anything that you'd like to see. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at makingupashlee, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Bye!